Greetings. Welcome to this powerful Vedic mathematics. Here we will introduce Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics has, we can say, God's speed and God's accuracy. Now, this Vedic mathematics is very interesting because we can solve any complex problem in no time and with good accuracy. Now the Sanskrit word Veda is derived from the root word with. The root word is with. The meaning of with is to know. The meaning of with is to know without limit. Yeah? To know without limit. And the Veda, the Sanskrit word for knowledge, is Veda. That means Veda is nothing but, so if we go for Veda, Veda is simply knowledge. Knowledge, or you can also sometimes say wisdom. Alright, now Vedic wisdom, I think this is very common. Vedic wisdom is lively in the consciousness of living saints. And this Vedic wisdom is also well preserved in the Vedic literature. And this knowledge and this Vedic knowledge was organized by the great Maharishi Vedas. This was organized by Maharishi Vedas as 4 Vedas, and he coined those Vedas as 4 Vedas, and those 4 Vedas, they are Rig Veda, and second one Yajur Veda, and third one is Sama Veda, and last one, which we focus in detail in this course, is Atharva Veda. Yeah. Now, and this Atharva Veda deals with the branches of engineering, mathematics, sculpture, medicine, and all other sciences which we are familiar with today. Okay, and now we focus in this course in detail Atharva Veda and also Rig Veda. Now, the knowledge of Rig Veda admitted 21 branches. So, the knowledge of Rig Veda admitted 21 branches. The knowledge of Yajur Veda admitted 101 branches. Okay. Similarly, the knowledge of Sama Veda admitted 1000 branches. And lastly, the knowledge of Atharva Veda admitted 9 branches. Now you know the significance of this. Now if you put together 21 plus 101, let me sum up all these branches. Okay, and this is 1131 Vedic branches. Alright, so we have 1131 Vedic branches. Now, the organizational format of each Vedic branch. If you take the organizational format of each Vedic branch consisted of 4. Each Vedic branch Vedic branch consisted of 4 folds. Alright, and they are designated as these 4 folds. They are designated as Samhita. Very, very interesting and important. Those every branch, okay, the organizational format of each Vedic branch consisted of 4 folds, and they are designated as Samhita, Brahmana, and Aryanak, and Upanishad. We are not going to deal with history behind all these things. In this course, what we are interested is we will try to unlock mathematical techniques, and we will follow completely this Atharva Veda, and we will try to pick out some mathematical formulae from this Atharva Veda. Okay, and we will try to apply in our normal or in our daily life problems. All right, so as such we have, as of now, 1131 Vedic branches, right? So we have 1131 Vedic branches. Okay, so therefore we could say, you have 1131 Samhitas. Yes or not? Because each and every Vedic branch has 4 folds like this: Samhita, Brahmana, Aryanak, Upanishad. That means we have put together 1131 Samhitas and 1131 Brahmanas and 1131 Aryanakas, and finally 1131 Upanishads. Yes or not? We have this. So 1131 Upanishads. So finally, if you put them together, so if I sum up all these contributions, so these 1131 multiplied by 4, so this will be 4524, and these are your scriptures. So we have 4524 scriptures together, and they came to be known as Vedic wisdom. So this is what our Vedic wisdom: 4524 scriptures, and this is known as our Vedic wisdom. In addition, corresponding to each Veda as applied, we have also Upavedas. Corresponding to each Veda, also we have Upaveda. So we have 4 Vedas. So 4 Vedas leads to 4 Upavedas. Okay, and they are Ayurveda. And also Dhanura Veda, and also Gandharva Veda, and lastly what we are going to deal with this in this course, and that is Stapatya Veda. And our present day mathematics, science and technology come within the range of Stapatya Veda. So you have mathematics and science, and technology. So our present day mathematics, science and technology, they come within the range of Stapatya Veda. You can also call like this: Stapatya or engineering. Yeah, so every engineering here, engineering means from like civil engineering, mechanical, electrical, everything we have Everything we have in this Stapatya Veda. So Stapatya Veda is subset of Atharva Veda. Okay. Now, anyways, now we are going to come to the main platform, that is our Vedic mathematics. Okay, the main platform is our Vedic mathematics, one of the finest inventions in the Vedic period. Let me take another page. Now let me come to this beautiful and powerful God's speed, God's accuracy, Vedic mathematics. So Vedic mathematics is really powerful, and this is one of the finest inventions in the Vedic period. And you know, this was buried for 1,000 years until it was finally rediscovered by the well-known scholar and the great Jagadguru. So the great Jagadguru, he rediscovered the buried stuff. Jagadguru Swami Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji Maharaj, Maharaja of Govardhan Math, and he was called Shankaracharya of Govardhan Math or Puri. You know, it is evident from the fact that, and see, Jagadguru Swami Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji Maharaj, he discovered Vedic mathematics. He rediscovered the Vedic mathematics. And now it is evident from the fact that while by the time of Patanjali, about 25 centuries ago, out of 1131 Veda Sakhas, out of 1131 Veda Sakhas, only 7 Sakhas. Unfortunately, now we have only 7 Sakhas are present today. Now they are presently in the knowledge of the Vedic scholars in our great country, India. Yeah, remaining have been lost. So scholars, they are really busy. They are engaging their time in finding out remaining Vedas, Veda Sakhas. Yeah. So Jagadguru Swami Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji Maharaj, he discovered 16 Vedic Sutras. So he discovered 16 Vedic Sutras and also 13 upasutras. And 13 upasutras in the Parisista of Atharva Veda. So he discovered this. Now in the Parisista of Atharva Veda. Okay, so these 16 Vedic Sutras and 13 Upasutras, now they come under this Vedic mathematics. Now you know, these sutras apply to almost every branch of mathematics. And to all applications as well. And these sutras apply to complex problems involving a large number of mathematical operations. Now, though the solutions appear like magic, the application of the sutras is perfectly logical and rational. This is quite phenomenal. Now, almost all formulae, whatever formulae we have in this Vedic mathematics, they just appear like magic. Do you want to see the greatness of Vedic mathematics? Now, this Vedic mathematics can surpass all mathematics whatever we have today. All mathematics means you could say traditional mathematics or regular mathematics or conventional mathematics or modern mathematics. Now Vedic mathematics can surpass all this, and Vedic mathematics is the mother of all this. Okay, now if you want to appreciate this Vedic mathematics, let's try to take for example, let's say you have 4 5 6 7 8 9, say multiplied by, say let me take 6 nines as multiplier. Okay, so in the multiplier we have 6 digits, in the multiplicand say also we have 6 digits. Now if you try to multiply these two, what answer we are going to get? See, no time, 4 5 6 7 8 8. Now this becomes 5 4 3 2 1 1. See, this is the answer. You can take your calci and check it out. You will definitely get the same answer. See, to get this answer, I need not require even 2 to 3 seconds, right? You require some time to input these numbers onto calculator, scientific calculator, even less than that. The time even less than that is this answer. Now do you know, see, that's why we call it as, see, the stuff becomes like magical. The formula, I mean the answer whatever we obtain, it appears like magic. Yeah, but there is a perfect logical and rational stuff hidden in this. Now you know how did we get this one? Now this is what multiplicand, right? Now you subtract 1 from this. If you subtract 1 from this multiplicand, now you will get 4 5 6, 4 5 6, we get 7 8 8. You subtract 1 from this multiplicand, we get this. This is stage 1 answer. Now whatever we get stage 1 answer, now you subtract this from the multiplier. So I can go from this, see, now this is 1 1 2 3, now 4, this is 5. Now just append this number to this. Okay, just append this number to this and this is the answer. That's it. It is very, very simple, right? And so therefore we say Vedic mathematics has God's speed, and that speed and that accuracy. And you will definitely enjoy this course of Vedic mathematics, because Vedic mathematics will convert all difficult mathematics into a playful subject. You will definitely enjoy. Now you know, students will definitely learn with smiles. Student will definitely learn this Vedic mathematics with smiles, because they need not mug up or they need not by heart anything. Okay, simply they can apply things over problems and they will get answers in no time. So therefore, in this system, in this Vedic mathematics, for any problem, there is always one general technique applicable to all cases. And also, there are a number of special pattern problems. Yeah, you know, while solving these problems using Vedic mathematical techniques, the flexibility at each stage keeps the mind lively and alert to develop clarity of mind, and thereby a holistic development of the human brain automatically takes place. So there is no place of any, there is no place of anything like by hearting or mugging up things. Definitely a holistic development of our brains will automatically take place, and that's the beauty of Vedic mathematics. Okay, and then these 16 Vedic sutras, or these 16 mathematical formulae, or these 16 sutras or aphorisms, and 13 upasutras or 13 subformulae or 13 corollaries. Yeah, Jagadguru Swami Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji Maharaj, Shankaracharya of Govardhan Math, he discovered these formulas. Yeah, out of sadhana and deep meditation, without deducing anything from the previous formulae, he just took out this beautiful stuff out of deep meditation. Yeah, and 16 sutras are as follows. Ekadikena purvena, first one, and second one is Nikilam Navatascharamam Dasataha, and third one is Vurdva Tiryagbhyam, fourth one is Paravartya Yojayet, fifth one is Sunyam Samya Samuchaye, the sixth one is Anurupye Sunya Manyat, Anurupye Sunya Manyat, Seventh one is Sankalana Vyavakalanabhyam. Sankalana Vyavakalanabhyam. You can repeat after me. You can repeat after me. Okay. Now eighth one is Purana Puranabhyam. Puranabhyam. Ninth one is Chalana Kalanabhyam. Tenth one is, it's powerful again, Yavadunam. 11th one, Vyasti Samastihi. And 12th one, Sheshanyankena Charamena. 12th one is Sheshayankena Charamena. 13th one, Sopantya Dvayamantyam. 14th one, Ekanyunena Purvena. And 15th one, Gunita Samuchayaha. And 16th one is this. 16th one is Gunaka Samuchayaha. And also we have 13 upasutras or 13 subformulae or 13 corollaries. The first one is Anurupyena. And second one is Sishyate Sesha Samjanaha. And third one is Adhyamadhye Nantyamanthyena is third one. And fourth one is Kevalyaihi Saptakam Gunyat. Fifth one is Vestanam. Sixth one is Yavadunam Tavadunam. And then seventh one, I just listed out all these formulae and subformulae, and in our subsequent lectures we will try to unlock everything in great detail. Okay. Now seventh one is Yavadunam Tavadunikritya Vargam cha yojayet. Yavadunam Tavadunikritya Vargam cha yojayet. Okay. And now eighth one is Antyayor Dasakepi. And ninth one is Antyayoreva. And 10th one is Samuchaya Gunitaha. And 11th one is again important. Everything is important. All formulae are listed out here. Everything is equally important. Everything is equally powerful. We can't bias anyone in this list. And 11th one is Lopanastapanabhyam. Okay. And 12th one Vilokanam. And last one is Gunita Samuchaya Gunitaha. Now we will try to understand each and everything their English meaning. Okay. Now first one is this. Let me go back to this. Okay. So just a minute. So let me go back to my first one. The first one is Ekadikena Purvena. Ek adik. Yeah. Ek means one. Adik means one more than. Purvena, the previous one. So therefore the meaning is this: by one more than the previous one. For now we will just take their English meaning. That's it. And in our subsequent lectures, as I told you before, we will unlock everything in great detail by one more than the previous one. So before we unlock stuff, so at least we should be able to know what are all the formulae we have in Vedic mathematics. You know what? With these 16 mathematical formulae and 13 upasutras, you can solve any typical problem in mathematics. Ranging from arithmetic to algebra to, say, you can go to geometry, say geometry to trigonometry to conics conics to calculus, everything we can solve using Vedic mathematics with God's speed and accuracy. So ekadikena purvena means by one more than the previous one. Okay, and now Nikilam Navatascharamam Dasataha means all from 9. The meaning here is this is all from 9 and the last from 10. All right, and Urdhva Tiryakbhyam means vertically. See, this Nikilam, Urdhva, all these things we apply for multiplication purposes. So, and crosswise. Urdhva Tiryakbhyam means vertically and crosswise. Paravartya Yojayet. Paravartya Yojayet means transpose. It is simply transpose and adjust. Okay. And fifth one, Sunyam Samya Samuchaye. Sunyam Samya Samuchaye. This means when the sum, as of now, you may not get things. We are just listing out each and everything, and we will unlock everything, don't worry. So just do follow these things for now. When the sum is the same, okay, now when the sum is the same, that sum is 0. Yeah, see how great Jagadguru Swami Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji Maharaja, okay, he is so great. He coined all these things. Anurupye Sunya Manyat. That means if one is in the ratio, the other is 0. If one is in the ratio, the other is 0. And now Sankalana Vyavakalanabhyam. Okay, this means by addition and by subtraction. So this means by addition and by subtraction. All right, and then let's take its subsequent one, and this one is Puranabhyam. This is very important again. By the completion or non-completion. So okay, by the completion or non-completion, very very important is this. And again this one, Chalana Kalanabhyam. This means differences and similarities. So this one is differences and similarities. Okay, Yavadinam means whatever. This seems difficult to understand now, the 10th one, but very simple when we apply over a problem. Whatever the extent of its deficiency. This seems something like incomplete stuff, but it is completely complete. Okay, whatever the extent of its deficiency. At times we have to expect unexpected, right? And 11th one is Vyasti Samastihi. Vyasti Samastihi means part and whole. See, everything is in this Vyasti Samastihi. It's very important. Our Vedic culture and hymns, everything is very important. And Manasa scripture, in that also we have everything. And also, you know, the power of Gayatri Mantra, Hanuman Chalisa, Vishnu Sahasranam, everything here. Okay, everything is important. We have lots of scientific things hidden, you know, in all these things. So we will try to unlock the beauty of everything, and also we will try to study Agastya Maharshi's results in detail in our subsequent lectures. So this course is going to be useful for everyone, whoever is researching on this and whoever is not researching. For everyone it is really useful. Your brain, your thinking levels, everything will change just like that. So Sheshayan Kena Charamena. So Sheshayan Kena Charamena means the reminders. Maharishi Vedavyasi, son of Satyavati Devi, he is genius, and just blessings of God is always with him, I think, right? So he is really powerful. The reminders by the largest digit is Sheshayan Kena Charamena. Now Sopantya Dvayamantyam. This is again surprising. Now the ultimate, this is really powerful. The ultimate, and and how powerful, twice the penultimate. Yeah, the ultimate and twice the penultimate. Okay, Ekan Yunena Purvena means, see, Ekadikena Purvena means by one more greater than the previous one, the first sutra. And now the 14th sutra is Ekan Yunena Purvena. This is just opposite, by one less than. By one less than the previous one. Alright? By one less than. Just learn these 16 sutras and 13 upasutras. That's it. You can solve any kind of problem in mathematics. Okay, but you should know how to apply things. Okay, now Gunita Samuchayaha means the product of the sum. The product of the sum is equal to, just play with this. Okay, the sum of the factors. Okay, sorry, the product of the sum is equal to the sum of the product. All right, and next one is what we have, last one under 16 formulae or 16 mathematical sutras or 16 Vedic sutras or aphorisms is Gunika Samuchayaha. Gunika Samuchayaha means the factors, last two are just like magic. Okay, the factors of the sum is equal to the sum of the factors. The factors of the sum is equal to sum of the factors. Okay, and now let's try to unlock this 13 upasutras. Now we are trying to unlock. Where is my color? This is gone. Okay, anyways, let me use again red. I'm searching for blue. Okay, I got it. So I have it now. I have blue in my hand, so let me use it. Okay, so Anurupyena means very simple, proportionately. See, you should learn a basic Sanskrit as well. Like if a boy want to ask a name to some other boy, he could ask like this: Bhavataha nama kim? Yeah, Mama nama Vikramaha. I can say like that if someone is asking me. Okay. Similarly, a girl can ask like this: Bhavatyaha. If you want to ask a name to a girl, you could ask this way: Bhavatyaha nama kim? Yeah. So, anyways, Anurupyena means proportionately, and second one is Sishyate Sesha Samjanaha. This one is remember. Okay, this one is remember. Sorry, this is reminder. I'm very sorry. I am in Sanskrit. Okay, reminder remains constant. So I am, as of now, I am in Bhavataha Namakim, Bhavatyaha Namakim. So this is reminder remains constant. Okay. Now this third one is Adya Madhye Nantya Mantyena. Adya Madhye Nantya Mantyena. This is interesting again. First by first and last by last. Again magic. Yeah, first by first and last by last. And this one is Kevalyaihi. If see in Hindi, you can write like this, Kevalyaihi. Okay, so Kevalyaihi, you can write this way, Kevalyaihi Sattakam Gunyat. That means in case of 7, whenever we encounter 7, digit 7, in case of 7, just our multiplicand, our not multiplier, our multiplicand should be, a beautiful number 143. Very famous number. I think everyone knows about this number. So in case of 7, our multiplicand should be 143. Now next one is Vestanam. Vestanam is osculation. We use this very well for division process. Okay, osculation. Now sixth one is Yavadunam Tavadunam. Yavadunam Tavadunam means whatever. This is somewhat lengthy to write. Whatever the extent of its deficiency. It seems troublesome now, but you can trust me, it is very simple. Whatever the extent of its deficiency, you lessen it. Okay, lessen it still further. Just don't stop. We can lessen it still further to that very extent. Okay. Anyways, things will be clear. The moment we solve problems. Okay, to that very extent. Okay, so whatever the extent of its deficiency, lessen it still further to that very extent. And next one is Yavadunam. Yavadunam Tavadunikritya Vargham cha yojayet. Yavadunam Tavadunikritya Vargham cha yojayet. This means, see, just this one. You take this entire stuff, whatever the extent of its deficiency, lessen it still further to that very extent. Let's label this as, say, some A. Okay, designating this saying as A. Now we will append like this. Okay, just followed by A. Repeat those same words here. That is, whatever the extent of its deficiency, lessen it still further to that very extent, and write the square of that deficiency, deficiency is negligible. Now we are taking its square again. Okay, so you have to read like this: whatever the extent, A means what? Whatever the extent of its deficiency, lessen it still further to that very extent, and write the square of that deficiency alongside. Okay, this is again very, very important. Yavadunam Tavadunikritya Vargham cha yojayet. And now Antyayor Dasakepi means, this is again interesting, whose last digits sum up to or add up to, or sum up to total 10. Okay, or we could write like this here, together total 10, and whose previous part, okay, or whose previous part or remaining part, we could say, whose previous part is exactly the same, whose previous part is exactly the same, okay. And Antyayoreva, don't worry, we will understand everything with meticulous details in our subsequent lectures. We are just listing out all these things, okay. Don't worry, stay with me. Antyayoreva, you will definitely fall in love with, mathematics. The attitude towards mathematics will completely change. You can trust me again, okay. Antyayoreva means only the last tense, okay. And this one is Samuchaya Gunitaha. Samuchaya Gunitaha means the sum. Samuchaya Gunitaha means the sum of the coefficients. The sum of the coefficients in the product. Yeah. The sum of the coefficients in the product. And now you have Lopanastapanabhyam, okay. And this means by alternate elimination and retention, okay. This is very important. Retention again, by alternate elimination and retention, okay. Now Vilokanam means this is just by observation. Vilokanam, by observation. We have come to the last one, okay. Gunita Samuchaya Gunitaha. This is as follows. Product of the sum is equal to product, okay, you can extend this way. Product of the sum of the coefficients, we can extend this further. Product of the sum of the coefficients, I am writing down here. Product of the sum of the coefficients in the factors, okay. So in the factors is equal to sum of the coefficients, is equal to sum of the coefficients in the product. So this is what you have. Product of the sum of the coefficients in the factors is equal to sum of the coefficients in the product. Don't miss it out. This is 1, this is continuation of 1, and this part is second, okay. So let me write like 1 prime. This is 1 prime is its continuation. Product of the sum of the coefficients in the factors is equal to sum of the coefficients in the product. All right, and this is just, we have listed out 16 mathematical formulae. Along with that also we have 13 upasutras, okay. So anyways, you have repeated after me how to pronounce these sutras one after the other. And anyways, so what we do in this course is that now its subsequent lecture number 2 and lecture number 3, they are now we will reveal some secrets behind certain magics in our Vedic mathematics. So that will be lecture number 2 and 3. And lecture number 4, 5, 6, we will do simple arithmetic operations, I mean multiplications kind of stuff in 4, 5, 6. Then post lecture number 6, from lecture number 7 to so on, in our consecutive stuff, we will unlock all these sutras in great detail, and also we will try to compare our Vedic mathematical techniques with our modern mathematical techniques. But unfortunately, we are struggling in modern mathematics because situations got saturated already. So things got saturated, so therefore we are struggling more in this. You can trust me, things will be lively. All students, any student, see, for Vedic mathematics, the beauty is that if you are thinking that you are below average in mathematics, you will tell me in no time or very soon later, you will tell me that, sir, now I'm genius in mathematics. So Vedic mathematics will turn your brain and mind, whatever, just like that. So you will definitely enjoy this course. So please do subscribe. Please do subscribe this beautiful course, Vedic Mathematics. Now, you please do subscribe our channel, Machine versus Mathematics channel, and we will try to unlock, all Vedas in great detail. But especially we cover Atharva Veda and Rig Veda in great detail, and Sama Veda, Yajur Veda we will omit from this course for now. And in our subsequent, if not our subsequent lectures, I'll just I'll just make some videos on Yajur Veda and Sama Veda. May not be that detailed, but we will have details of Atharva Veda, especially its Sthapatya Veda. Within Atharva Veda, we will unlock it in great detail. So therefore, you can read this, or you can make it happen very well. This is for sure. All right, you can make things happen just like that. So finally, these solving techniques will make you flexible at each stage. This is for sure. Definitely these methods or these techniques will keep your mind lively. Okay, they keep your mind lively and alert. This is for damn sure. It will happen. Okay, and definitely they will develop clarity of mind. They will for sure they develop clarity of mind. And again, whatever I said, holistic development of the human brain automatically takes place. That you will experience for sure. Okay, that's it. So our Vedas, our culture, the great country India, we are blessed. And now let's share this to entire world. Okay, let's share our thoughts and knowledge to this entire world. Let entire world to learn this Vedic mathematics. So with that intention, this course has been started. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for your patience, and for now, swasti.